Dear students, this class discuss about the communication skills. So communication means transfer of thoughts and feelings from one person to another. So communication can be classified as non-verbal communication and verbal communication. The non-verbal communication, we can pass on our ideas to another person without the use of words. It is called non-verbal communication. If you extend your arm and pull it back, so you are asking somebody to come, an angry look from the father will convey so much the emotion to the son. The audience clap at the end of the program. It means the program is very good. A railway officer waves the flag and the train starts. The traffic lights red, the number and green guide to traffic effectively. The next one, verbal communication. So verbal communication means use of words, use of language. Speaker, encoding, transmission, decoding, and listener. So here both the speaker and the listener should understand the same language. If a guest lecturer gives the lecture in Hindi or French to students of Tamil Nadu, there is no communication. So Tamil Nadu students understand neither Hindi nor French. To use the technical terms, the sender encodes the message. The message passes through the medium. A receiver decodes the message. Long distance telephone calls may sometimes be distributed and the message may not reach the receiver. Then obstruction to the process is called noise. The next one, process of communication. Encode, express ideas in words. Then medium, directly through air or phone or mic. Then decode, understand the speaker's message. The next one, LSRW, that mean listening, speaking, reading, writing. L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading and writing. Then first one, listening. The listening is the first activity. The child listens to what the elders family speak. Then there are two kinds of listening, an active listening and passive listening. So hearing is the physical activity. When you are sitting in your room and reading, sometimes you hear some noises and blowing the wine and rattling the whistles in kitchens, your father shouting somebody and so on. So you just hear them, but you go bus reading your book. Then when you walk on the road or travel on the bus, you hear so many different noises from shops. So vehicles, peoples, etc. So this is passive listening or hearing. So you did not give the importance to these noises. On the other hand, when the teacher teaches or then your father or mother says something to you, you listen with attention. You understand what they say. If it is the order, you obey it. You tune your radio or switch your TV and listen to the news or any other program. This is active listening. This is active listening. The next one, good listener and poor listener. So listens, good listener means listens, good attention, concentration. Then allows no distractions, does not interfere. Then makes notes of doubts and asks afterwards. Then poor listeners are no attention, no concentration, invites distractions, interferes, no doubts, writes. So that is the difference between good listener and poor listener. Then obstacles to listening. So obstacles to good listening occur the part of the speaker on the part of the listener. The speaker, low voice, use unfamiliar and difficult words. then resembles without much concentration. Then if you over any electric system, defects in the system, the listener physical illness, and then cannot concentrate, mental condition, some problems. The next one, types of listening. So there are some types of listening: competitive listening and or compactive listening. The listener has his own ideas when somebody is saying something, so the listener does not accept the speaker's idea but contradicts him or says something else. Then attentive or active listener. Then active listener understands the message. He responds the feelings of the speaker. The last one, benefits of listening. You can learn by listening. Listening can win friends. It leads to better work and cooperation. It gives you confidence. If you have doubts, you tell somebody. You listen to that the person. Your doubts are cleared. So listening reduces tension. That's all. Thank you.